Hi, my name is Alexa Alvarez, and today we are working on Lab 3, which is bacterial enumeration. Um, this is my card. So right now we are actually in the process of melting the agar test tubes. That way we can pour them into the petri dishes. So I am going to take you into my kitchen and show that particular process, and then we're gonna come back in here, wait for everything to solidify, and then we are going to proceed with the experiment. All right, so we are in my kitchen and I have 6 petri dishes and I have my test tube clamp. And then in here I have the agar in a pot of water, and it is hopefully gonna melt the agar. Now, all right, so our agar is melted. So we have petri dishes here. I have sanitized this. So we're just gonna disperse these. Put the lids off to the side. And I have clamps. I need 2 hands for this. Okay. There's one. And lightly cover this. Okay. Okay, that one's done. And then we have 2 more. Okay. All right. So now we have 6 agar plates. We're gonna let them sit here and solidify. All right, so I have water here. I have a pipette. It's already been sterilized. So I have to add 2.25 mLs of distilled water into each test tube. So each one of these up to here is 1 ml. So I'm gonna do 2.5 of these into each one. Two, and one more. Okay, now I have my water heating for the yeast, so I'm gonna go check on that. Okay, so I have my yeast here, and it is 7:42, so in about 10 minutes this should start frothing up, and we'll be ready to transfer from there into here to make dilutions. So for now, we're gonna wait, and then we'll start doing the transfers. In the meantime, we're gonna check on our agar dishes to see how they are looking. It looks like it's starting to solidify. Yep. See, there's no motion. It's looking good. 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 They look good. Now, let's look and see how our yeast is doing. And it is 7:48. We started at 7:42 with the yeast, so we just have a few more minutes on that. These are ready to go, and once they're ready, we are gonna transfer yeast from each one. So we're gonna start with that, and we're gonna work our way. So probably gonna switch this way. That way it's easier and I don't lose track. Okay, so our yeast is ready. So we're gonna get 0.25 mLs with our pipette. We're gonna put it into the first one. And then from here, we're gonna get another 0.25 mLs, and we're gonna start transferring. These aren't the best racks. We gotta make do with what we have. And that is our last one. Okay, we're gonna get some of that distilled water, and we're gonna rinse this a few times just to get everything out of there. Now we are gonna label our petri dishes, and I think they should be ready to go. So I'm gonna bring those over. Just gonna put this off to the side. We're gonna flip these over. We're gonna label them corresponding the test tubes. And then we are gonna put about 4 drops of the yeast mixture solution into each of the test tubes. So we're gonna, each number is gonna correspond with the test tube to the agar dish. Okay, so we're gonna, there we go. One, two, three, four. Cover. And then we gotta cover and swirl. There we go. All right, so we have that. And then we're gonna get from 2 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab from 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna grab from 4. Oh. 1, 2, 4. One, two, three, 4. We're gonna stir those after. So now these dishes have all been swirled. They're all labeled, so they have to incubate for the first 12 hours. We're gonna put them lid up, just how they are right now. And then tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., we're gonna flip them lid side down. And after that, it looks like they have to incubate for about another 3 days. So today is Thursday, so by Sunday morning, we can continue working on this part and see if we grow some colonies. Super exciting.